Hello, my name is Lady Perez. I live in Ocaña, north of Santander, the most important tourist place in my city. Next, I am going to show you the city where I live. This is my city, Ocaña, north of Santander, a cozy place with a great climate and friendly and hardworking people with many traditions. Next, I am going to show you the Cathedral of Santa Ana. Is in a crest-style building located on the south side of the Park May 29. It's one of the main tourist sites in the place, where many people gather to hear the word. Park May 29 of Ocaña has a lot of history. In the center, it has the slate column. It is a cozy place where children and adults go to rest and children to play with pigeons. Next, a square, the Grain Convention, an historical place in the city with a very beautiful architect. It in a small square, many children are seen playing and they gather big and small to enjoy a delicious ice cream. This small square is smaller than Park May 29. The house of colonial architecture, where the works are presented in 7 exhibition rooms. It has an urban domestic architecture. It was declared a cultural property of interest. The house culture is closer to the park than the Virgin Water. This beautiful sanctuary is located just being 20 minutes from the town center and presents a place of devotion for the entire Ocaña community. It is more expensive to go storage than to Virgin Water. And the storage, the unique natural to the storage area is one of the smaller protected areas in Colombia. It is a very beautiful tourist place to explore with the family. Just 25 minutes from Ocaña. Storage is more beautiful than Virgin Water.